It's our Easter Bunny taste test from £2.50 all the way up to
£32.50.
We're going to start with the cheapest because then I can open it the traditional way that we do in my family.
Go on then.
So sorry.
Oh, poor bunny. It's a classic.
It's a classic. We all know the flavour. I'm going to let you open this whichever way you feel more comfortable doing it because that was
How do you think I'd
that was a bit
break my
brutal.
hand? Ooh.
Ooh,
Oh, I do think it's richer. It's creamier.
it's definitely creamy.
think it's
I'll give you that.
creamy.
Right, this is just.
Okay, I'm not going to let you touch this.
I'm not going to.
This is £32.50.
You do have to have lost touch with reality. It actually looks like a real. If we crack it, I think we're going to hell.
Oh my god! It's a massacre. To be fair, look at that layer.
That does look good. Just a reminder, £32.50. That entire bunny.
Keep talking.
That entire bunny is this. Oh. Okay.
Such a nice snap.
That is nice. It's well tempered.
So rich.
That is by far the nicest chocolate. I don't think that should be a surprise.
I'm happy that it's very nice chocolate.
I think if you bought it for your child, they would be horrified. I think for your everyday Easter, just stick with a nice Lindt bunny. This, it feels a bit more psychopathic if you give it out as something to eat.
It's too good to eat.
It's too good to eat.
So that was our review of our bunnies from cheapest to extraordinarily expensive. If there's any other chocolate animals or Easter treats you would love to see us destroy, drop them in the comments. And for now, we'll say goodbye and come back soon for more baking joy.